everyone, and welcome to my home in Georgia. And I'm here to show you how to make a Chef Emeril's old-fashioned apple pie for this Thanksgiving. And this is how I show you how to make Chef Emeril's old-fashioned apple pie. And this is the Gala apples and the Granny Smith apples, thin and cut it in slices and put it into this large big bowl. And this is the 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this together and be incorporated. And for the small bowl, put 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a little bit of ground cinnamon and just a little bit of whole fresh nutmeg. And a pinch of salt. And mix it together with this. And put all the flour mixture into this large big bowl of apple things. And mix these all together, incorporated. Don't break the apples, that way you won't get pieces. Now it's all mixed, all incorporated, and now put this apple filling on this 9-inch of pie crust. And look how the beautiful came out look. And now I'm gonna put on the lime doughs on top so it looks beautiful on top for this Thanksgiving style. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of egg wash so it gets nice and golden brown. I have the oven about 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. then sprinkle with some granulated sugar, about tablespoons. And here it goes in the oven, 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. So now that is done for about 20 minutes on 425 degrees. And then we cook it again for 350 degrees for 25 minutes. All right. Look at that. See how beautiful it is, huh? And there you have it, Chef Emeril Lagassi's old-fashioned apple pie. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, from Chef Amir Salam.